I'm partnering with Corsair to show you what it could feel like to upgrade your entire setup, starting with the Galleon 100 SD. Hitting the subscribe and the like button would mean the world. I really appreciate you being here. As soon as you open the Corsair Galleon 100 SD, you can tell this isn't a basic keyboard. Right on the side you see it, a full Stream Deck built directly into the board. This is a full-size mechanical keyboard with 12 customizable LCD keys, dual control dials, and an info display all integrated, no separate device needed. Under the hood, you're getting pre-lubed linear switches that are hot swappable, gasket mounting for a softer typing feel, and sound dampening for that clean, controlled sound. Now let's build the base of our setup. This is the Pro Control in white, medium size. This is the Sabre V2 Pro Wireless MG in white, magnesium alloy body, which keeps it lightweight but strong. It's wireless, super lightweight at 56 grams, and designed for competitive performance. Clean silhouette, no unnecessary bulk. This is where it all comes together. The Galleon 100 SD gives you macro control and streaming commands directly on the keyboard. The Sabre V2 Pro keeps your movements fast and responsive, and the Pro Control Mousepad anchors everything with stability and precision. And once you power it on, that's clean. The Stream Deck keys light up individually, the RGB on the board is fully customizable, and everything feels cohesive. If you're building a gaming setup that's both performance-focused and stream-ready, this trio makes a serious statement. You can use code Brynlie and my unique Corsair link to support me while you shop.